Good evening, everybody. It's Jamie from Heavenly Dreams Dairy Goats, and I thought I would take you down to the garden. We are July 12th. It's evening. We've all ate. We actually had salmon and mashed potatoes, macaroni and cheese because my husband don't eat mashed potatoes, and vegetables, but not from the garden. So I wanted to show you with our chickens and ducks that get out and everything, they've just like destroyed my garden, and this is what's left. So I've got cucumbers here, which we need to weed around. I've got, I think these are cantaloupes, but I'm not for sure, which we need to weed around. Oh, these were cantaloupes, which there's none there. Our watermelon's gone. Our zucchini is gone. There was a roll of corn here, no longer here. Here's what's left of this corn standing here that they have either trampled over. This is a row of peas, which there are some there, but they've trampled over. The beans, purple and green, which they're thriving, as you can see. And they do got blooms on them, so we should be getting some. My beet area, which there's only a few in that row. There's like 2 or 3, I'm not even sure what that is. My lettuce row, nothing, and then of course my last 3 rows I didn't get anything in. But here is some other pepper plants and cauliflower and broccoli, and then our tomato plants here, which seem to be doing all right for what they are anyways. This one is like not even in the tomato thingy. I don't want to push it down too hard and break it, but yeah, that's our tomatoes. We actually might get some tomatoes this year. Who knows? But we'll do a sweep of everybody so everybody can see the update. We'll come back up here. I still don't know if our 3rd bronze turkey is actually a turkey, or actually a turkey. There is a loose blue gem right there. Yes, if she is actually a female. I don't know, because this is Tom. That used to be Kiwi, but now is Jackson. Right, boy? Yeah, because you strutted around, and we don't know if this is a female or not. It's a younger one, obviously. This is Mango, but with the way that the underneath of the neck looks right there, looks a lot like theirs. Ladies, what are you doing? But yeah, all of our chickens in here. Yes, and they can fly, obviously. The turkeys have set up here and pooped everywhere. And I've got our 4 ladies following. Girl, get your butt back down there. I think you're actually a boy. Yep. Go on, get in there. Good Tom, he's such a strutter. But, yeah. Pearl's back on her nest, I see. We want to find homes for those 2 male ducks. My husband says we can keep them, but I say I want to get rid of them, so I'm trying to find them a home. I'm going to show you the boys real quick. And then we'll go down by Hercules and then go see the goats and Jack. The boys, Max, who's 1, and Brutus, who is 5. We've had them both since they were just itty bitty puppies. Brutus was 8 weeks and Max was 4. And there is Hercules and my husband. I think he's feeding him grain out of the bucket. He sees them ducks. He's like, don't you come near me. Yeah, that was very nice. And then we'll come up and see the goats real quick. No shelters yet. Kind of hard to get shelters when they cost almost $1,000 a piece. So with that being said, we're going to have a little while before we can afford everybody a shelter. But don't worry, everybody will have shelters. It just takes money. And that's money most homesteads and farms don't have. Yes, Mavis. Excuse me. What is it? Huh? What is it? Mavis? Hi, honey. Yes, I see. Yes. Cal? Hi, honey. Don't bite my Fitbit. Mavis, stop being biting. Cat or Ariel? Hi, girl. Hi, honey. I know, you get pushed around. Odessa, old lady. What you doing? You still got a bummed leg? Yeah. And then, of course, whining Jack. The biggest whine baby you'd ever meet. Just listen to him. He's a whiner. You are, aren't you? Just a whine baby. He needs his feet trimmed. See him? He needs them trimmed. Say she comes Wednesday to trim his and Diamond's hooves. Right, Jack? Right, buddy? It looks like you've been crying. What are you crying about? Hmm? What you crying about, boy? See, your neck is so thick and muscular. That nice wide back he's got. And then our boys. Lancelot here, who's a yearling. Aren't ya? Zeus, who's a 3-year-old. Is our boy Zeus with his waddles underneath his ears like earrings instead of being where they're supposed to be. Yes. 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 And then here's Cherry, Courtney's horse. She could possibly be pregnant, too. That is something that we weren't sure about, but I'm going to do an ultrasound probably next month to see. There she is. Hi, Cherry. Hi, honey.
Hey, Cherry.
And there's her mom, Elijah. And then we'll go walk over here. Hear the flies? Man, flies galore. Isn't that a beautiful sight right there? I think it is. That is a beautiful sight. And so is that. There's my pretty girl, Diamond. What you doing, beautiful? Huh? What you doing? Some flies bugging you? Are the flies bugging you, girl? Hmm? Gonna make her yawn. Darn flies. Her feet don't look bad. She's like, darn flies. She's not yawning yet. Well, thank you everybody for watching. Please subscribe if you're new. Thank you to all the new subscribers. Just so you know, our membership, if you're wanting to do jack ride videos with Courtney, you've got to join our membership so you can see those videos. We'll only post them as members only, and you'll see them there 3 times a week, and be 5 to 10 minutes long. We're going to try, weather permitting and jack permitting anyways. So we'll see everybody tomorrow. God bless.